Is it me or is November moving like it has something more important to do? I haven't even gotten our matching Christmas PJs for this year's photo shoot. Speaking of family photos, holiday photo shoots on a budget. Because by this weekend, y'all should really have those cards ready to go. Photos do not have to be expensive, especially if you just want to capture the joy of your family and just have some memories to cherish. So the most we spent for this photo shoot was the matching pajamas that we got from Old Navy. And we put up our Christmas tree like we always do. I did set the camera on a tripod and set up a box light. And that was it. I did use Lightroom for a little photo editing, because remember, I'm an amateur. And then I slapped us on a template for postcards, and that's it. Holidays on a budget. This includes family photos. For the last couple years, as prices have soared, your girl has been doing her own holiday photos. I'm no photographer. I'm just a mom that's on a budget and can't afford a photographer. Amen? So if you want something a little bit different other than family pajama photos, keep watching. This is one of my old photo shoots and probably the easiest. First, I got the elf outfit and the hair bows from Target and Amazon. And then I just propped up the gifts that were already under the tree, set her on top of them, and took some pictures. Do y'all remember those old school photos from the 90s? Because that's what it was giving. Even though it's one of the cheapest photo shoots I've done, it's one of my favorites. This was also done with an iPhone 11, I believe, and a regular schmegular ring light. That's all. That's it. In this season of less mass consumerism, go ahead, tap in your DIY. You on a budget? Me too. So the last 2 years, I've been doing our holiday family photo shoots myself. I pick out some inspiration, like so, like that. Then I do the best with what I got. DIY is not my ministry. But to achieve this look, you already have everything. You have the Christmas tree, no matter how that looks. Lord knows you got yourself and or your husband and kids. So sit your baby in front of that tree with them Christmas pajamas on and turn off them lights. And that's it. Now stay tuned, because this is the inspo for our next photo shoot for 2023. It is quite ambitious, but we gonna try. Set up our Christmas tree. Set up our air mattress. And we gonna make some shake. It doesn't take the place of an actual professional photographer, but it's fun for the kids. And we get the memory of not just taking the photos, but also setting up the photo shoot together. Make sure you follow so you can see how this year's photos turn out.